Hey all of you, hope you guys are great and welcome back once again. So this is the second section of our API development course. Okay, in the first section we have built all the schema models, all the get method, post method. We have connected our API, we have built the schema model, we have built the basic validations, data models, we are fetching the data, curating data, deleting data, updating data. Okay, so we have done all those cool thing in the first section. In this section we're going to start with the global error handling strategy. You have found we have a lot of try and catch, but we're going to replace those try and catch to a global error handler. Okay, so what I have done, I have opened my main directory. You can see this is where I have, and now I'm going to simply take a copy of this files. Okay, so this is the transfer function. We have this video, we have the smart contract, this is the API we have, and this is the connecting. So simply come back this. So here we have all this file. That's Jim is my personal API, and this is the API which we have been working on from the first section. Okay, so I'm going to simply replicate it, okay, because I want to keep things simple. So if we commit any mistakes in our inner handling, so we'll have a backup file so we can start copy and working again. Okay, so I'm going to simply copy this, make a copy of it, and I'll call this one part 1. Okay, so this is the part 1. Simply copy and paste here, same place. Just wait, this will take a little bit time. Okay, I'm just using editing power, so that's why it's getting a little faster. Okay, but it will take time. So finally we have taken the copy, and now let me do this rename. So I can simply rename this. I'll call it, let's say, error, and let's change this name. I don't like this name as well, so let's change this one to, let's say, API part 1, and let's call this one as well. Why are we having this? Let's call this API part 2, and we'll call it, let's say, error. Okay, so we're going to start working on this part 2 error. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, and we can separate all the things. So here we are in this part 1, and this is the part 2. So make sure you do the same thing, exact thing, to be on the safer side. Okay, simply open this file in your code editor. So here I'm back in my code editor. Things are looking good. We have all the models fine. So you can see this is what we have worked in the last video, build all the functionality. So that looks pretty good here, no problems we have here. Now we can complete this. This is all the models, data, things are looking good. And in this video we're going to use a very special and powerful tool which is offered by Google. Okay,